Have you ever stumbled upon a recipe that's more than just delicious? One that's packed with benefits and flavors you never expected to combine? Today, we're about to reveal something truly special straight from Germany. This isn't your typical snack, it's a blend of 5 simple ingredients that work together in perfect harmony. Think about this: dates, walnuts, cocoa, figs, and sesame seeds. What could these possibly create together? You might be familiar with each ingredient on its own, but when combined, they transform into a powerhouse of taste and nutrition. Imagine the natural sweetness of dates paired with the crunch of walnuts, the rich essence of cocoa, the unique texture of figs, and the nutty flavor of sesame seeds. It sounds intriguing, doesn't it? But there's more to this recipe than meets the eye. It's not just about mixing ingredients, it's about creating something that's good for your body and soul. Stay with us as we guide you through this process. By the end of this video, you'll have a new favorite treat that's not only healthy but also incredibly satisfying. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on this one. This intro aims to captivate the audience and build anticipation for the recipe. Welcome back to our channel where we uncover hidden gems from around the world. Today, we're diving into a special German recipe that's packed with nutrients and flavor. This recipe combines dates, walnuts, cocoa, figs, and sesame seeds into a delicious and health-boosting treat. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 10 dates, 100 grams of walnuts, 10 grams of cocoa powder for figs, and sesame seeds. First, let's talk about why this recipe is so special. In Germany, traditional recipes often focus on balancing taste and health. This particular recipe is not only delicious but also loaded with beneficial nutrients. Let's break it down. Dates are a fantastic source of natural sweetness. They are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and provide a quick energy boost. Dates also contain essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. Walnuts are known for their heart-healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. They're also high in antioxidants and can improve brain health. Just 100 grams of walnuts pack a significant nutritional punch. Cocoa powder isn't just for desserts, it's packed with flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds can improve heart health and brain function. Plus, cocoa adds a rich, chocolatey flavor to our recipe. Figs are another nutrient-dense ingredient. They're high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Figs also have natural sugars, which complement the dates perfectly. Finally, sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and important minerals like calcium and iron. They add a nice crunch and a nutty flavor to our recipe. Now, let's get to the fun part: making our delicious treat. Start by removing the pits from the dates and chopping the walnuts and figs into smaller pieces. Once your ingredients are prepped, combine the dates, walnuts, figs, and cocoa powder in a food processor. Blend until you have a sticky mixture. You should get a thick, dough-like consistency. If the mixture is too dry, you can add a little water or honey to help it come together. Now, take small portions of the mixture and roll them into bite-sized balls. Once you have your balls, roll them in sesame seeds to coat. The sesame seeds not only add a nice texture but also make our treats look beautiful. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy treat inspired by German culinary traditions. These bites are perfect for a quick snack, a boost of energy before a workout, or even a sweet treat after dinner. I hope you like it. If you try it out, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes and health tips from around the world. Thanks for watching.